thought I'd share with you a little bit of video of my Lister CS diesel driving the Parker Stone Crusher. It's a lovely piece of kit. It's really handy. Done loads of work with it. It's been set up like this for, I don't know, 20 years probably, and it's really handy. The CS is 1931. It's the serial number CS1794, and from the engine dating it says 1931. Beautiful little engine, always starts first time. Testament to Lister, of course, and their the engines they sent all over the world, doing good work. And the Parker Stone Crusher, 1948 that was made. Leicestershire, Parker from, and I think they were, from memory, I think they were introduced during the war and after the war to deal with demolition and breaking up of hardcore from bombed out sites and stuff like that. So there's lots of these made, but they're a really handy piece of kit. So I'm just going to finish off a bit of crushing that I've been doing here, and I'm filling these dumpy bags. It takes me around about 50 minutes, 50 minutes to fill a bag. If the stone's ready to go, chuck it in, and you get a ton of, probably a good ton of crush and run, which is really handy, and it'll be used on the farm here where I'm situated. So it's got very low air miles, this hardcore. It's come from the farm and it's going back on the ground again. So I'm going to start the old girl up, and we'll go on with a bit of crushing. just have a tour around the working bits. I'm a bit closer for you. There you are, Lister CS, Parker Stone Crusher. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did playing with it.